Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Double bench grinder with flexible drive shaft, the model PDFW 120B3 from Parkside for grinding, cutting, polishing and cleaning. No load rotation speed from 0 to 11,500 RPM, working speed up to 45 meters per second. 103-piece accessory set included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual, and these 2 feet plastics are going here. Silicone pads. It will stay very secure at any surface. And of course we have the 1 meter flexible shaft. You can connect that here. Left rotation to screw, tied it very well, that was all. Very flexible. And here 3 meters of cable, very convenient, I like that. The manual of course included. So many screws, okay. We have these 2 work rests and we need to install one here and one here. So that goes here, use this huge nut and this small nut. That goes here at the back. And you can adjust further out and further in. Same we need to install and this here. Same in here, you can adjust. And then I need to install these transparent guards, one here and one here, with this metal base. I need to use 2 of these screws. There you have it. You can adjust. And then the guards. With this screw, washer, perfect. And pre-mounted we have 2 75mm diameter and 20mm wide discs, 1 grinding and 1 for polishing. And of course the on-off switch with the speed control. Okay, and of course we have accessories included, 103 accessories in a lovely box. Polishing paste, cutting disc 24mm diameter, plenty of this, and we have cutting disc 32 diameter. Polishing felt 25mm diameter and 13mm diameter. Abrasive belt 15mm and 9mm. And of course we have the work arbor for abrasive belt 15mm. You can install that here. And for the 9mm. Pencil grinder, different diameters. Nice. Cleaning brushes, different types and thickness. Milling cutters, same in here, different dimensions, thickness. We have this combination spanner, lock and unlock, the chuck, one dressing stone, different type of collets, and you can use this one for the polishing felt. You can screw that here and done. And you can use this one for the discs. Remove the screw, install one of these discs or the others, the smaller. And use this key, tight it very well, and then you can install that here. It is the larger. Remove the screw, remove the collet if you want to replace it with the middle one or the smaller. This is the larger. Just pull. Perfect. And then tighten it. Pull. You can lock it and tighten. So when you are going to turn on, nice! So many accessories and definitely you will find the right one to do your DIY projects. Now I would like to start with the huge grinding disc, this one, and the polishing. Now next I would like to test and cut this plastic tube with this disc. More power. Nice, I like it. So easy. For a single, budget-friendly machine that combines the power of a bench grinder with the precision of a flexible drive shaft, This one is an excellent value. It's perfect for everything from sharpening tools and grinding welds to intricate polishing, carving and cleaning. It's a tool that really opens up a world of possibilities for the hobbyist and DIY enthusiasts, and it's a great addition to any workshop. And that brings us to the end of our hands-on review of the Parkside double bench grinder with flexible drive shaft. I truly hope this video has given you a comprehensive understanding of its features, its versatile capabilities, and whether it's the right multi-tool for your workshop. If you found this video helpful or simply appreciate seeing this tool in action, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tool reviews, DIY projects and workshop tips. Plus, don't forget to check out some of our other workshop tool reviews and DIY guides right here. Thanks so much for tuning in everyone, keep those tools running and I'll catch you in the next one.